Powerful tips to break free from money habits keeping you poor. Recognize your bad money habits and break free from them. In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 of the most common bad money habits that hold people back and powerful tips on how to break out of them. Tip number 1. Paying yourself last. Inspired by the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This habit is a blueprint for financial freedom. Poor people pay themselves last, covering rent, bills, and expenses first, leaving nothing to save. Rich people do the opposite. Pay yourself first. Take 10 of your income and save it immediately, treating it like a non-negotiable bill. Tip number 2. Getting comfortable with bad debt. Debt shouldn't be the norm for everyday purchases. Credit card companies profit from your poor financial habits. Avoid debt unless you can pay it off immediately. The average credit card interest rate is 22, erasing any rewards or benefits. Tip number 3. Not having an emergency fund. Build a buffer of 6 months' expenses. Start by saving 10 of your income. Once you have your emergency fund, move on to investing. This buffer gives you peace of mind and a safety net for unexpected expenses. Tip number 4. Not knowing your income or expenses properly. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Avoid lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more. Set clear financial goals and take deliberate steps to achieve them. Tip number 5. Expensive hobbies. Enjoying life is important, but not at the cost of your financial health. Find budget-friendly hobbies that bring joy without draining your wallet. Tip number 6. Focusing only on saving. Saving is crucial, but it has limits. To build true wealth, you need to increase your income too. Explore side hustles, ask for a raise, or invest wisely. Balancing saving and earning maximizes your financial potential. Tip number 7. Paying too much in taxes. Understand tax rules and leverage them to your advantage. Invest through tax-efficient accounts like ISAs or Roth IRAs. Knowledge of tax advantages can significantly boost your wealth. Tip number 8. Waiting too long to invest. Once you have savings, start investing to make your money work for you. Diversify your investments to mitigate risks. Inflation erodes money left in a bank account. Start small but start now. Tip number 9. Not having a financial plan. Successful people have clear financial goals and plans. Plan your financial future meticulously. Know your assets, liabilities, and the steps